And today, special thanks to our friends over at Carefor who were nice enough to send us these alcohol-free teeth whitening strips. So you get 28 teeth whitening strips for 14 treatments, and you also get one 0.07 ounce or 2 milliliters teeth whitening pen. They're alcohol-free, less saliva, less residue, fresh taste, and enamel safe. There's your little sticker there on the back. Make your smile wider. A little bit of the information from the company. So let's just take a look at what we get. So that off, we can slide them out here. That's everything. Little confidence guarantee, little instruction set here. Nice. Then this is kind of the scale you can go on. And we have 14 treatments here. Oop, come back, pin. 14 treatments here of teeth whitening strips. And of course, the little Carefor teeth whitening pin here. Very nice. So just to show you, because that's me, I want to show you one of these. I'm going to open this one up. Gonna just waste it. I'll use the rest of them. Actually, I guess I could use it. Put it on now. That's essentially what they would look like. One for the top, one for the bottom. Easily rips apart. There you have it. That's a look at this Carefor alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. Thanks again to the company. It was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.